How do I file a DoorDash insurance claim? If you have been in an accident involving a DoorDash driver, you might be wondering how to file an insurance claim. Let's break down the steps you need to take to navigate this process smoothly. First, as soon as the accident happens, it is important to report it immediately. You can do this through the DoorDash app or by contacting DoorDash support. This step kicks off the claims process with their insurance team. Next, you need to determine who is at fault for the accident. This usually involves looking at the police report, witness statements, and any other evidence available. Knowing who is responsible is vital because it will influence which insurance policy will handle your claim. If the DoorDash driver is found to be at fault, you will typically start by filing a claim with their personal auto insurance. However, keep in mind that many personal auto insurance policies do not cover accidents that occur while the driver is delivering for DoorDash. This is where Rideshare insurance or DoorDash's supplemental insurance can come into play. If the driver's personal insurance denies the claim, you may need to file a claim with DoorDash's insurance. To do this, certain conditions must be met. The driver must have an active personal auto insurance policy, be logged into the DoorDash app, and be actively delivering or on the way to deliver an order at the time of the accident. If all these criteria are satisfied, you can file a claim by emailing DoorDash's claims department or through their support channels. They will assign a third-party insurance carrier to manage your claim. When filing your claim, you will need to provide evidence and documentation. This includes photos from the accident scene, video footage, police reports, medical bills, and any documentation related to lost wages or pain and suffering. This information is essential to support your claim and demonstrate the extent of the damages. After submitting your claim, you may enter the negotiation and settlement phase. Insurance companies, including DoorDash's insurer, might offer a settlement, but initial offers can often be lower than what you deserve. If you feel the offer is inadequate, it may be beneficial to work with a car accident lawyer who can help negotiate a fair settlement. If a satisfactory settlement cannot be reached, you may need to consider legal action. Most claims are resolved before reaching trial, but having legal representation can be important if your case escalates. It is also important to remember some key points regarding car insurance. Personal auto insurance usually does not cover drivers when they are delivering for DoorDash unless they have a rideshare endorsement or supplemental rideshare insurance. DoorDash's insurance is supplemental and only activates after the driver's personal insurance denies the claim. Since DoorDash drivers are independent contractors, DoorDash is not automatically responsible for accident costs unless the driver was actively delivering at the time of the incident. Not having the right rideshare insurance can lead to denied claims and personal liability for damages. Filing a DoorDash insurance claim involves several steps, from reporting the accident to negotiating a settlement. Understanding the relationship between personal car insurance and DoorDash's coverage is key to navigating this process effectively.